Hi guys, it's the 13th of July 2022 and I've just returned from Poland, having had a knee operation at the eurotreatmed Medical Centre. Total knee replacement. I'm currently out walking my dog. Been going good mile this morning, absolutely no pain whatsoever, walking really comfortably. Can't recommend the eurotreatmed Med Hospital enough. I was on the waiting list for the best part of 6 years, having had no success. It's the best move I ever made. The only thing I regret is that I didn't do this much sooner. Excellent medical team, excellent physiotherapy and first class nursing care. If you've got any thoughts about having any knee replacement treatments, don't put it in the back of your mind and think, I wouldn't go abroad to have it done. It's the best move I ever made, and I can thoroughly recommend these guys. Ultimate professionals.